Jane, why is composting so important?
It's absolutely vital. We've been putting food waste and green waste into landfill for many years now. It produces methane, which is a greenhouse gas 20 times more powerful than CO2, and has been a huge contribution to the problem we're now seeing with climate change. Also, when you compost, you are stopping CO2 from being released into the climate, into the environment. The CO2 is embodied, it is captured in compost. And then, so you can get rid of food waste in a productive way, green waste, and the best way to do it is actually in your own back garden, so it doesn't have to be transported and the use of fossil fuels in that way. In your own back garden, you can actually get rid of all your green waste, all your food waste, including cooked food waste, by using composters. You can use composters such as this one over here. No? Out the way. Which is a bin that's been handed out now by councils for free quite often. You can also use bays like this behind me. This is for when you have greater quantities of waste. For example, in this forest garden, lovely forest garden here in Pevensey. So here we've layered it up and we're going to be moving quantities of waste here. So this is a really good way of doing it. But also in your own back garden you can make wormeries out of reused materials such as these buckets. So in other words, all your food waste never goes further than your back garden, and you end up with the most incredible compost, which I'm sure Andy will show you later. We harvested some the other day, and that saves on petrol and energy because you don't have to actually go and buy it, so it saves on money too. You don't have to go and buy it, it doesn't have to be transported, there it is. It's the perfect virtuous circle, if you like. It's a closed circle, and it's really how it needs to be as we move on into the century, with climate change becoming more and more of an issue.